Typical science passage. A student studying how gases diffuse derived the following formula. Some formula. The following experiments were conducted to test your formula. Study factors affecting the rate at which gases diffuse. Now there's an experiment. Hydrogen chloride, ammonia, vapors react. Chemical equation. I'm really losing interest. Technical stuff. I really don't understand. Let's combine an important rule from math and an important rule from reading. Math, it was the most important rule. Get something written down. Reading, the most important rule was don't move forward in reading if you haven't understood what it is you've just read. Let's combine those two here. Most important part of understanding the science passage is try to understand the lab, the experiment, what actually happened. So, for example, a swab soaked with HCl solution was inserted into one end of a glass tube. Draw a glass tube, 1 centimeter in diameter. Let's write it. A swab soaked with NH3, oh wait a second, an HCl solution, a swab, is put in one end. Let's write it. I don't know what a swab is, so I'll just draw an arrow. The other end, NH3. The swabs are how far apart? 10 centimeters. The distance that each vapor traveled could be determined. So HCl is put in there and stuff moves. NH3 is put in there and stuff moves. They meet. The point at which they meet, there's a white ring of NH4Cl that forms. That's the experiment that took place. Now the question is, the time it took for the ring to start to form and its distance from the swab were measured. Now I understand perfectly what this table is. The distance from HCl to the ring, that's the 4.04.1. How long did this take for the gases to meet? Different times. The temperature is varied. Suddenly I have a perfect understanding of this experiment, and now every one of these questions is answerable by me. Give it a try.